What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Wade and Shiggy Show. I'm Wade here today, bringing us some more Telltales of the Walking Dead Season 2, Episode 5, Part 2. Last episode, we just got out of a firefight with a bunch of Russians led by Arvo. We captured Arvo, we survived because Jane came back, and now Arvo is leading us towards his supposed location of where he's keeping his food and stuff. Supplies and everything. So let's see if he's actually leading us to the place or not. And we'll find out right here, right now.
Is that it?
Plant.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
What? It's what?
What do you mean, what? The place you're fucking taking us.
He doesn't speak much English.
No shit. Is that it? I thought you said it was a house.
Arvo, that's not what you're taking us to, right? How much further is the house you were talking about?
Answer her, goddammit.
There's still more walk. Some more hours.
God damn it. I knew this was gonna happen. This guy fucked us.
Thank you.
Don't mention it.
It's getting dark. Maybe we should stop for the night.
This is bullshit.
Relax.
Don't tell me to relax. He's lying. He's been lying this whole time.
You don't fucking know that.
I know we've been walking all day and we're still fucking nowhere.
This isn't helping. We're all stressed. Let's just get a night's rest.
Yeah, I'm gonna sleep real fucking easy tonight knowing this asshole is playing us. Fuck. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. It's all right, buddy. It's all right.
If we're staying, we should scout this place out.
All right. Y'all wait here. I'll go make sure this ain't some walker nest we're locking ourselves into.
I'll go with you.
See if you can calm him down a bit.
No, that's all you.
Shh. It's okay. It's okay.
You're a natural.
I think he likes you. Calmed right down for you. That's a good sign.
He's cute.
Yeah, he is, isn't he? Most babies are pretty ugly this soon after being born.
That's true. They usually look like weird little aliens.
Here, I got him.
Come on over. It's safe.
I just had this thought, like, they just lit a fire in a power plant, but I'm like, there's no power. What the hell's Arvo doing?
Today's my birthday. Near as I can tell, at least. Definitely this week.
Happy birthday, Luke.
Yeah, man. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
So, that makes you... what? 27?
That's right. I'm surprised you remembered. Sure as hell feel a lot older.
Don't even start with that shit.
Got out of college 5 years ago. Feels like a million years. At least I don't have to worry about paying off them student loans.
I hear that. I'm sure there's some asshole sitting on that paperwork
Fucking
waiting to
flies
collect.
everywhere, bro. What the
Probably.
hell?
I'd have liked to go to college.
I really liked school.
Just a waste of money.
Well, the major in art history hasn't helped too much the last few years.
Sounds like you majored in working in a coffee shop.
Pretty much.
Oh, stop it.
You get a minor in agriculture. Keep the old man happy.
Oh, I almost forgot. Was saving it for a special occasion, and all it being your birthday and all, figure this is as good a time as any.
Do you think that's a good idea?
Clementine, after the day we've had, I think it's the best idea I've got.
I'd agree with that.
I
think she's just saying to take it easy.
Bye.
And don't get
Feel a little
drunk.
guilty taking the first.
Whoa, wait! You gotta make a toast.
What the hell was that look?
Come
You're
on,
just like,
birthday boy. It don't have to be fancy.
A toast
What the
means
hell?
We all got something to drink.
Oh, we can just pass
what's
the
up with
bottle
her
around afterwards.
face?
Go on.
Why is she so lean back like that? What the fuck?
To the loved ones that we've lost along the way, and to the hope that we see them again.
Here, here.
I'm sorry, I'm ruining the dialogue, but her
That was real nice.
your fucking body's contorted.
Didn't mean for it to rhyme. That was-
Well,
Oh,
I
that's
got
funny as
first
shit.
watch. I think the fence has got us pretty secure.
Can't be too careful.
Baby might be cold.
Nah, I'll keep him warm. He's a tough little guy.
I can take it.
Nah, you stay warm.
Clem, let him go.
I'm gonna
Yeah, they
post up
fixed
over
the
near the
body.
hole in the fence there. Holler if you need anything.
Thanks, Kenny.
Fire's real nice. Plenty of room if you want to get warm.
Maybe in a bit.
I didn't expect her to come back. Just when I thought I got her figured out, she up and surprises.
It's a good thing. You saved our ass.
I know. I just don't know what she's getting at all this.
We're lucky to have her. I'm glad she's here.
What is going on?
So that puts her as okay in my book.
Well,
Why is she
it ain't
stood
no
up?
secret how you feel about her. Oh, come on. I'm just teasing.
Ed was stupid.
I understand. She's a pretty girl. Once you get past all the dirt and guts.
I don't know. Guess I just wanted to forget about all this shit for like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Man, that's longer than I'd last at this point.
Hey,
Alright, it wasn't 10 minutes.
come on. We got a little one around.
Just
Sorry.
staring at a crotch.
Yet I said anything.
It's my fault for bringing it up.
That's gross.
Yes, it is, Clem. We shouldn't be talking about it.
Why did the camera pan on her crotch? I swear to God.
Maybe she came back for you.
Oh God.
Could be.
I'd come back for you.
What to say to that?
I don't know. Maybe she likes him?
No, I think we could bet on that. As you see here, Luke's a regular Casanova.
Hey, shut up.
Don't be modest. Your moves are working on all the ladies.
Worked on me. Shit. I just did it too, didn't I? Sorry. It's the drink talking.
They say a drunk man's talk is a sober man's thoughts.
Well, I ain't a man, so they can take that shit somewhere else.
Stop
Clem,
fucking
go see if
panning
you
the
can get
camera
Jenny
on her
and Kenny over by the
crotch.
fire. It's too cold for them to be out there like that. Oh, and here, maybe a swig of this will change their minds.
Oh God. I say, don't put the camera in the fence. That just hurts my eyes.
They expect you to lure me over there with alcohol? I wouldn't have expected a bottle to last this long. Probably been a while for everyone.
We just want you to feel welcome. It's warm over by the fire.
What is it?
It's rum.
The face changes are just like weird. What was that look? Just like, ooh.
I don't know. It might be awkward. I wasn't expecting to, you know, be around.
It doesn't have to be. We're all adults here.
Are we now?
You know what I mean. Mature or whatever.
I wish it was that easy.
It is. People just love making it harder than it has to be.
Why does this feel like I'm signing a contract or something?
I don't know. Because you're making it sound like it is.
That's really good. Have you had any? You want a sip? It's okay. It just might burn a little. You'll feel it in your nose.
I'm a kid.
Okay then. Suit yourself. I wasn't too much older than you when I had my first drink. God, I was so stupid back then. There was this
What is with her arms? Oh my god, her arms! Oh no! This game's like all broken!
I was dumb. Earthquake or
What?
something.
She's like
Sounds like
stabbing
you're a
herself
bad
with the
kid.
bottle!
I guess I was. At the bottom of the bottle there was sugar crystals, and I got it in my head that I really wanted to eat a couple. So I got the bright idea to smash it on my parents' dining room floor to get at them.
Wait a minute, did she just say eat a couple?
Into 1,000 pieces, all over the dining room. And I proceeded to eat what I thought was sugar candy. It was not sugar candy.
Sounds like a mess.
Yeah, it was. Every couple years, someone would step on a piece of glass that didn't get swept up and get mad at me all over again. The problem with glass is, it looks a lot like sugar crystals.
That's never really been a problem for me.
Keep it that way. My sister found me, drunk, blood pouring out of my mouth. Jamie thought I was dying, so she called 911. They pumped my stomach. Got grounded for 6 months.
You ate glass?
I ate glass. I haven't thought about that in a long time. I guess a deal's a deal. Here.
What the fuck was
I
that?
drank more than any of us. Time to not make it weird.
Kenny looks like he's fucking in La La Land.
No, I'm fine.
Kenny looks
Oh,
like he's
yeah,
fucking
okay.
smoked
Wherever you
something.
like.
He's like, how you doing? Oh, God. Where the fuck is Kenny at? Is he over here? Oh, he is over here.
There, little guy. Shh. Shh, I got you. I got you.
Hey,
Oh, hey, Clem. Just, needed some air.
Kenny, there's air everywhere.
I'm sorry for how I acted back there. After Sarita was... I couldn't handle it. I'm sorry. I mean, you did what you could. You tried to help, and I blamed you for it. I'm so sorry.
You don't have anything to apologize for. I know you didn't mean it.
Thanks. I miss my boy. I miss him so much. I didn't raise him like I should have. Made mistakes. Wasn't there a whole lot for a couple years. Off on a boat somewhere or other. I thought I enjoyed that time away from him. From my family. But I'd give anything for one more second with them. Play catch with Duck. Touch Koch's face. Anything in the world.
Maybe you'll see them again someday.
Well, from here on out, I'm gonna try and believe that too. It's gonna be different with him. He's gonna get raised right. I won't make the same mistakes again. That's a promise. You should get back over by the fire. Ain't no sense in both of us being over here. I can handle watch on my own.
You should come too.
I don't know.
Come on. It'll be good for everyone.
Yeah, okay.
Jane, you don't have to justify that with a response.
Hey, I find it's best to just get this stuff out in the open. Less drama.
Well, that's fine. But I can confirm there was no time for kissing.
Shh, all right, enough of that. Hey, you, Clem.
What?
People laughing.
This fucking game is broke as shit.
You just spend so much time trying to stay alive that you don't get a chance to enjoy living.
Yeah. We need to make more time for that.
Alcohol helps.
Hell yeah, it does.
Let me get that bottle. We got someone else that might need some help.
Why does he look like he's
Sounds
handcuffed
like
to
a
them?
waste of good rum.
He lost his sister today.
Whose fault was that?
That makes it even harder to deal with. Trust me.
He needs it as much as anyone right now. It's a nice thing to do.
I said my piece.
What the fuck? He just like
I don't think that
raised
boy's
stuff
a bad
from the
person.
depths of hell.
I just think good people do bad things sometimes. And they do it a lot more nowadays with the world being what it is. So I think it's best
Leave
to
me
just-
alone!
Sorry, okay? My fault. I shouldn't have...
Leave me alone!
It's okay. It's okay. She's in a better place.
Пожалуйста, нет, Наташа, сестричка.
It's okay. It's okay.
Maybe it's best if we all get some rest.
He actually is tied up. I just noticed that. I'm like, holy crap.
Yeah. That's a good idea.
I'll take first watch.
Thank you, Kenny. Really.
Don't mention it.
Why did Kenny just raise from the dead? He's just like,
Nice
whoop!
lasted.
This fucking game's like broken as shit with all these glitches and bugs. What the hell? Whoop! What's up? Don't mention it. Whoop! Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like below. Please comment with your opinions. How'd you feel about a very buggy? I didn't expect it to be that buggy of an episode where there's just the animations were having troubles and just like made them look dumb as heck. We had some heart-to-heart moments with the crew, with the gang, you know, with Kenny and with Jane and with everybody else. And we just kind of talked about how life used to be before all this accident happened. Now their lives are completely changed, different. And please subscribe for more, guys, as we're busting out videos for you guys the best we possibly can here on YouTube. And for that, we do thank you all for watching. We encourage you all at home to please stay classy.